Its pistons pumped and its wheels spun, and it began to squeak again. "Oh my," said Gordon. Then he heard something even worse. It was a rattle. Oh dear, he cried. Diesel was right, I am falling apart. What will the Fat Controller say? So Gordon slowed down.